Welcome back. We're at the Beebout Veterinary Medical Center, and I'm with Dr. Brandon Beebout. And there's so many important topics, and one topic that we want to kind of talk about again, kind of highlight again, is the importance of having pet insurance.
Absolutely. We did 4 or 5 of these in over Christmas in a row. Kind of went over some case examples. It's amazing. I mean, even veterinary friends and close friends and family and people that have a dog 30 years just have no idea that insurance is available. And it is super close to my heart. We save a lot of lives through insurance. That's what it's for. Insurance is something that costs money, but it's there when you need it. And in a dog and cat's life, your premiums are fairly low if you get it insured when you're young and healthy, and that's the time to do it. So when a new pet comes in, the first thing I do is I send them something from Trupanion, one of our insurance companies. There's a million out there. Shop around, find the lowest premium with the best coverage, like we do with anything, and they get essentially activate that certificate within 24 hours. They have 30 days of free insurance.
Oh, wow.
They skip the waiting line of that 30 days, and then they have 30 days to kind of think about things and shop around and kind of figure out if this is right for them. It's not for everybody. I highly encourage it for, 95+%, and it takes, our dog and cats, unfortunately, aren't living to be 100 like us, hopefully. And so in a 10 or 12 year span, you have 1 or 2 accidents, and we've talked orthopedics, tragic accidents, hit by cars, run over by a gator, but ACL, it's a disease, 1.2 million surgeries into ACL. Those are costly surgeries. They are. There's hardware in there, and it takes some expertise with it. And so that is something that we used him as an example back in December and January, that, we're talking 90% of a $3,000 surgery, and that can make or break whether you do that surgery or not.
So can you insure all pets or just basically cats and dogs?
I believe you can insure all pets. It depends on the insurance company.
Okay.
And it even depends on, there's certain companies that are sick, illness, injuries, those type of things, and there are some, they have funny names, Pumpkin Lemonade, are a couple of them actually, that will do wellness. They'll cover the rabies shot every year. They'll cover certain dentals, and then the costs kind of differ because of those things. And so you really want to, I know how fine print and reading your policy, but ask the questions. That's what that representative, it's not the veterinarian or the veterinary technician. We can encourage you to get insurance, but you need to talk to that insurance representative, who we have reps for us, and we can point in those directions to ask them those questions that you want. Is this for one condition, each condition? Is there a limit? My recommendation is do not get a limit. You would be surprised on certain chronic illnesses, and if we want to treat it the way that we should treat it to give that pet the highest quality of life, it's best to get one without a limit.
Yeah, so if somebody's out there thinking, man, I maybe think I should maybe contact you, can they just give the office a call?
Absolutely, you can call us. You can Google pet insurance, but we will certainly be the middleman and kind of point you in the right direction as far as that goes. Yeah.
Another great information. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Appreciate it. All right, stay with us for next week's edition of Pet Talk.